Welcome back everyone, and today we're going to go over how to do your own semi-color hair dye. Let's get started. So getting started, you're going to use any semi-permanent color dye that you want. We're using Wonderbar Freestyle Color Blue, but you can use whatever you want. You're going to put half of it into whatever mixing bowl you have and add any conditioner. It just helps it go a little bit further so you're not using all of your hair dye all at once. So you want to make sure that you mix it really good. The added benefit of mixing the hair color with the conditioner, besides it going a little further, it also leaves your hair really soft. Not to mention whatever conditioner you use smells really good, so my son had to smell it right here because it just smelled good with the Herbal Essence conditioner that I chose. So after you have that mixed really good, you want to go ahead and brush out the hair. I'm going to go ahead and use these alligator clips that I have lying around to section out the hair. It just makes it easier to dye if you go in sections, and it just makes it go a lot faster. Another important step is make sure that you have some gloves, because you will end up dyeing or staining your hands. It can last a couple hours to a couple of days. So if you don't want to have your hands stained, then make sure you have gloves. So when applying the dye, you're going to go from the roots down. I like to start from the bottom of the head and work up towards the top. It makes it so much easier and a lot less messy. One of the most important things before you even get started is have a towel for protection, or make sure the person is not wearing any clothes they don't want to get damaged. Now that we got our towel, we can continue. We're going to go all the way down to the ends, and we're going to do that for the whole head. So let's speed it up. son has so much hair, I had to mix a little bit more. So you just add a little bit more dye and conditioner, mix it, and then you can continue on. Now that all the hair is done, we're going to go around the edges and just make sure that those little flyaway hairs are covered. And now we'll just take the last bit from the bowl and shampoo it through the hair to make sure that we got a nice even coverage over everything. Once everything's covered, we're going to put it up in a bun, clip it up, put a bag over it, and that is how it will sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. And when the time's up, you'll wash out your hair and reveal the results. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe for some more DIY videos. If you have any ideas, please leave them in the comments below.